This is a door knocker's worst nightmare for a customer.
It was easy, it was seamless. That's where I'm at this point. It's like, who'd you use? Earthlight, use them. So my name's Lazlo, and I decided to go solar because of pretty much Eversource and constant change in price. I'm a budget guy, and I want to know how much it's going to be. I want to know, like, consistent is worth it for me. So to know that that's what it's going to be every month, and that was worth it.
Congrats, you now control your costs for the next 25 years. Congratulations. Yeah. What we're going for here is those clean, straight lines where it looks like the system's floating on your roof, and it's symmetrical, and it looks nice.
I mean, I did my research. I got like 4 quotes. I knew certain things that I wanted and didn't want when it comes to the solar system. I chose Earthlight because the local and the service, the sales rep actually explained what it was, how it works. The Earthlight salesman that came, went through the details, talked it through with me, right? Other ones just kind of came and threw prices, you know, here's a price, here's a price, here's a price. You guys changed my mind on the leasing versus the ownership just by the simple question of, are you gonna live in this house in 25 years? And I said, I don't know. Leasing also was nice just because the company maintains it. It's a lease.
I think that's one of the key points people forget about is even though you lease a system, you want to be able to pick up the phone and say, hey, I don't believe my system's operating at full potential. Therefore now, right now, if my system's half down or all the way down, I can't buy that locked in rate of power right now because my system's not working. Even though you lease it, you still want it to be running all the time so that, you know, you can buy that power from yourself versus buying it from the utility.
I mean, it was worth it, honestly. It was easy, it was seamless. And what was nice, you guys have sent me timelines. Just timelines are like very nice to have because otherwise you just sit kind of like waiting, right? I would definitely recommend you guys.
I'm so glad you said that because we're always trying to get better at the internal process, and hearing that we did send you the right timelines and we did continue to communicate, that's what I love to hear. We try to do the best job we can.